Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll make slime, and if you want to make slime, first you need a bowl and a fork, baking soda, some glues. It depends how much you want, and activator. We are using Dora Plus. First we will add the glues. So if you want to add glitter, you can, but if you don't want, you can keep the slime clear. But I am using green glitter over here. You can add the glitter as much you want. After that, you have to mix the slime very much until the glitter is in the slime. Then you have to add baking soda. You just have to add a bit, like that much, or more than like that much. Yes, you can add that much. Then you have to mix it until the baking soda is absorbed in the slime. It's looking very white, so I will add some more glitter. If you want, so you can keep white. So now you will add the activator. You have to add slowly and slowly. And you have to mix gently. You have to keep adding the activator until it is formed into slime. So my slime is not ready yet, so I will add more activator. And if it's not ready. So you can add some more baking soda, but a little bit. Yes, like that much. And then you have to mix it. Okay, so it's very hard to mix it. Oof. So I think it's ready. So I'll take it in my hands. So bye guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and Ramzan Mubarak to everyone.